Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow message requests from everyone on X, so you never miss a DM from someone who wants to reach out. This updated method is quick and easy, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to find the settings and how to switch them on. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change this setting. Once the app is open, look at the bottom menu bar and tap on the message icon. This is where all your direct messages are grouped. Next, at the top of this page, you'll see a section called Message Requests. Tap on that. This is the place where incoming messages from people who don't follow you, or people you don't follow, usually end up. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen, and you'll see a small settings icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a list of message settings that control who can contact you on the app. Here comes the important part. Under the section that says Allow Message Requests From, you'll see a few different options. To make sure you can receive requests from anyone who wants to reach out, simply choose the option labeled Everyone. Once you've selected Everyone, the setting will update instantly. From this point on, no matter who sends you a message, it will appear under your message requests, and you'll have the option to accept or ignore it. This can be really useful if you want to stay open to new connections, potential collaborations, or just want to make sure you're not missing messages that could be important. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've adjusted your preferences so that anyone can send you a message request on X. It's a small change that can make a big difference if you want to stay connected and accessible. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be looking for the same update. Thanks for watching.